In this video, I will share some of the basic terms in digital advertising. For those who are just starting to try Facebook ads or Google ads, you might encounter weird acronyms which are quite confusing. I also have been through the process. Let's learn or revise again. The first term is CPC, cost per click. CPC is calculated by dividing the total amount spent on the campaign by the number of clicks generated. In general, we always want the lowest CPC. The second term is CPL, cost per lead. Similar like the CPC, CPL is calculated by dividing the total amount spent on the campaign by the number of leads generated. The lower the CPL, which means you get a lead cheaper. Next is the CPM, cost per thousand impression. CPM is the metric that shows how much it costs to serve 1000 ad impression. If you're running Google display ads or certain type of campaign in Facebook ads, you will see this term. Followed by CPV, cost per view. This is targeting the video advertising for the video-centric digital marketing campaign. Usually, if you see the C or the cost at the beginning, we want the lowest as possible. Now we want this as high as possible. CTR, click-through rate. CTR is determined by dividing the number of users who click on ads by the number of impressions. It's one of the components of Google Ads quality score in order to have a better conversion. Next is ROAS, return on ad spend. ROAS is a marketing metric that measures the amount of revenue earned for every budget spent on advertising. We want a higher ROAS number to make the advertising more efficient. Another popular term is PPC, which stands for pay per click. PPC is an online advertising model in which advertisers pay each time a user clicks on one of their online ads. In short, usually it's just Google search ads. You will see this CTA quite often as it's referring to call to action. The perfect example is like the button download now or image in your landing page to prompt the users to click it. The design, text or structure of CTA are playing an important role for digital advertising as well. Finally, sometimes you might see SERP, actually is referring to search engine result page. To cut short, SERP is what you see from the Google result. It's just that simple. Okay, that's all the sharing for this episode. So you're using which KPI as your digital advertising benchmark? Let me know at the comment section below. Remember to like and share this video. Thanks for watching and see you again.